Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create layers of light in Photoshop. We will take this bulb image you had in a previous episode and draw some light rays around it. This is made possible using vector shapes and the mask feather effect. Let me show you how this is done. Let us switch back to a starting composition. Go to the layers panel. Make sure your background layer is selected. Go to the shape tools. Click and hold. Pick the Polygon tool. Go to the option bar. Change the number of sides to 20. Click on the down pointing arrow on the left of sides. Change the style ratio to 20. Press enter. Let us choose a color beforehand. I'm using the HSV values just in case you don't see them. Click on the color panel flat menu. Choose HSV sliders. Enter hue value of 50 degrees. Saturation of 50% and brightness of 100. This is the same color we used with the grow. Hold on shift and draw the shape of the center of the filament. Drag it downward until you're a couple of points below the bulb. Go to clockwise. Mask. Click on select vector mask. Change the feather value to 20. Change the blend mode to linear dodge. Let us also subtract these two layers at the bottom. Press A to switch to the dialog selection tool. Make sure you have the white arrow selected. Click on the starburst. Click at the point at the bottom and press backspace. Delete on a mark. Click on the other point. Press backspace. Delete on a mark. Rename the shape to burst 1. Let us draw another shape. Pick the Polygon tool again. Hold shift and draw from the center of the filament. Let us give the shape some rotation. Photoshop has done well to pick up the feather, the color, and the blending mode. The only thing we have to do is get rid of some points at the bottom. Switch to the direct selection tool. Select the point at the bottom. Press backspace. Delete on a mark. Pick the other points. Delete them also. Let us switch on our text layer and also the rectangle layer. And there we have it, how to create layers of light in Photoshop using vector shapes. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.